Hello, friends. This is Becky with Becky Budgets. Since tomorrow is Sunday, my paycheck posted today, and I wanted to go ahead and do our budget breakdown for the first week of October. I don't know if I'm going to make it to the bank before they close, so I might not be able to do the cash stuffing until next week, but we'll see how things go. My husband's paycheck came in for $653.47. My paycheck came in for $3,852.44. When I add those two values together, that's going to give us a total of $4,505.91. Going down to our bills for the month, rent, because it is prorated for the month of October, came in for $2,537.16. The Upstart loan is $711.04. Allstate is $181.51. And our gas and electric through Excel is $214.32. When I add those four values together, we are going to end up with our bill total for this week. And our bill total is $3,644.03. And when I take that away from our inflow, we end up with a leftover of $861.88. Pulling that value down, I am going to go ahead and plan. And I do apologize. Our neighbor from across the hall is moving, so the dogs are a little hyper today. I am going to go ahead and fill our variable expenses. So we've got $100 for food. We're skipping gas and pets. My husband gets $100. I'm going to get $100. Eating out will get $75, and miscellaneous will get $50. So our total for expenses is going to stay as $425. Let me change that to a positive number. Minus the $425 is going to leave us with a leftover of $436.88. And I'm going to pull that value up. I am going to plan on filling all of our sinking funds since we do have an overage of about $200. So medical will get $50. Vet, household, car maintenance, and gifts will get $15 each. Vacation, Amazon, car registration, and emergency will get $5 each. And that equals $130. So when I take $130 away from our leftover, it's going to leave us with $306.88. As always, I do like to do these sections out of order. We do have $26.50 going into our 52-week challenge number 2, which is my husband's, that goes towards moving. 52-week number 1 is mine, which goes towards Christmas, and that we're going to go ahead and put $106 for. So let's take that away. And this value gives me that 38 cents are going to go into the buffer. So let's go ahead and add those up. That means that we need $132.88 in order to get a zero-based budget. Moving up here, our leftover amount was $306.88 minus the $132.88. That leaves us with 174. And I'm just gonna pull that other value down. We do know that we have a preset Barclay, which is 170, and then $4 are going into the snowball, which will equal the 174 we need. In order to have a leftover of 132.88 and get that zero-based budget. I hope that made sense. As always, let's go ahead and check my math. So we have an inflow of 3505.91 minus a bill total of 3644.03 minus 425 in variable expenses, 130 in our sinking funds, 174 in our extra debt, and then 132.88 in our extra savings. And yes, my friends, that gets us to a zero-based budget. Before I get off of this, what I wanted to do, and I don't know where my die is. Oh, here it is. I am going to be getting my personal this week. So before I set up the values for the denominations, I want to go ahead and, oops, I put that upside down. I want to get the values that are going into my savings. So let's go ahead and roll my die 4 times. And I need to take a look at this because some of the numbers are already met. So let's go ahead and zhuzh this. Let's go. So the first number is a 1. We do have number 1 left, so I can go ahead and do that. So it'll be 1 plus. Looks like I can't get any more 4s or 7s. So I got a 5. That one's good. I got a 10. That one's good. And the last one is a 7. 7, I have to roll again because I don't have any more 7s. And 8, yes, 8 will work. So 10 plus 8. Hold on, 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 equals 24. That means that 76 are going into my personal fund and 24 are going into my savings challenge. Well, friends, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my content. I hope that each and every one of you is having a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.